TNT Financial. Supercars. Nice car. Travel. Money. Free time.
Hello everybody, welcome to Black Swan Trader again. Today I want to talk about the one trade that I placed last night and make over $800, just one trade. So I want to show you my trade. So I bought Amazon car. As you can see, the strike price is around 1617.5 car. I bought two cars and then I sold the car. I bought the car as 43.1 and I sold the car at 47.21. So I make around more than 800, slightly over $800, just one trade. And I bought some Boeing because and I hold overnight because Boeing right now hit all-time high and the market right now is kind of positive. So let me explain about why I closed my Amazon car and how I minimize the risk. So yesterday, before the market opened, there's a news that Trump. So yesterday, the U.S. stock rose as President Trump said he is willing to delay the next month deadline for resolving the trade conflict if the negotiations with Beijing are progressing smoothly. So the market is positively react to this news, and also there's the shutdown of the government is avoided because they heading to the funding deal for the border of security between US and Mexico. So let me explain about my strategies last night. So last night after the news came, I looked at the future. So the future of the stock really deep green at that time. The Dow Jones future rose like 250 points, and then I think to myself, if the future are so green and positive new, Amazon is have a lot of room to move up. So I watched Amazon and I decided sorry my voice, I decided to buy Amazon car as I open, and I bought a 1600 for two car and I sold right here. The reason I sold right here because the market at that time, the volume already dry. So I want to eliminate the risk, and I already have enough profit for the day, and I don't want to risk all of my profit. Just a lesson before, I make 7,000 a day, and then the next day I lose $8,000 because I hold overnight, and one bad news came out, and I lost all the profit, and then it's go negative. And then I learned myself that in this volatile market, we shouldn't hold the trade overnight because you're not gonna know what's gonna happen the next day. Also, this week is so busy because the meeting in Beijing, so earning season also, and then you have to. That's why I want to minimize the risk. I don't want the risk erase all my gain for the week. It's so and I don't want my emotional in. I don't want revenge trade. It's so bad, and when you need to pay yourself. For example, like if you make, my strategy is that I have specific amount of money in my account, and that's enough for me to day trade, and all the profit I get from the day I cash out 50%, and 50% I left in the account. So I grow up my account, and also I pay myself. Really important about paying yourself because some people make money and they keep pushing it. They put all in, and when they fucked up one trade, all the profit gone. The important thing about paying yourself is to make yourself comfortable, to make your account bigger, and also you have money for everyday expenses if you want to become a full-time trader. So paying yourself is really important. So based on this graph right here, if when you enter a trade, you enter right here or right here, and you exit right here, because look at this. You can see right here, MACD is crossing right here, and it's really risky if you hold on the trade, if you're day trader, because when MACD cross, usually the stock will have a correction, and right here is really good to exit. And then if you want to enter again, enter right here, you see, and then you can make a little profit right here also. So as we can see right now, we should wait until the end of the week to see how the news in Beijing. Like if it's good news, I think next week gonna be a very deep green week, and we can say it's a positive sign for the rest of the year. So let me show you how what stock we need to look at if there's a good news between US and China. First stock, IQ. Second stock is Amazon. Third stock is Apple. You can see Apple right now is have a lot of room to move up. Let me show you daily chart. So right now, Apple have a lot of room to move up right here. And we can see here the MACD daily chart already crossed and saw really strong move and bullish. So we should take a look at Apple. And yesterday, the wheat stock cannabis, not good. But I think in long term, it's a signal of buying right now. If you want to hold for a couple months to make profit on that's sectors. The other sector that I think is not good right now is semiconductor sectors. You shouldn't put so much money on it. Day trade is okay, but not for me. I think it's not good for holding for long term. We need to see how semiconductor in quarter 2 of 2019. And Forex. So Euro and USD. Euro and USD hit 1.127 couple days ago. It's a good, and now it's dollar is weakened, and it's a good sign of a reversal here, and you can enter the trade right here now and make some quick profit. Also gold, you can buy some gold also, and for the next couple of days I think Euro will go up to 1.145 and then hit the first resistance, and it's a good sign for Euro. So I'm waiting for NVIDIA earnings soon. So this Wednesday NVIDIA will report the earning for this quarter, and I don't know how NVIDIA will how NVIDIA gonna be good or bad, but I know one thing for sure. Right now, it's a good stock to watch because NVIDIA dropped like from $280 to $150. It's a really like fit more than 40% drop, and it's a good sign for buying long term. If the market is good and there's no negative news in T factor, I think it's gonna hit 175 in next like 1 month or a few weeks. So we'll see. And happy trading. Thank you for watching, and I will update the new videos with my P&L tomorrow for today's trade. Thank you for watching.
No excuses, out or in. Play like a motherfucking champion. When I do this, lose or win. Play like a motherfucking champion.